Successful brand promotion activities depend on successful ideas. Do you want your business exposure to a wider set of target audience? Are you looking for an opportunity to launch your latest product? Don't wait any longer. It's time to generate new leads for expanding business. JITO Hyderabad is coming up with South India's biggest jewelry and lifestyle expo 2023. UMNAG 2.0 at world-class venue, HYDERABAD Exhibition Center. An exhibition that yields a golden opportunity to meet with 75,000 plus potential customers. 2 lakh square feet area covered with over
500 plus
exhibitors. It's a perfect place to be connect with new customers. Highlights of the exhibition are as follows. Hall 1, Corporate, Construction, Developer, Wedding, Pavilion, Industrial Products. Hall 2, Gold, Diamond, Silver, Jewelry. Hall 3, Lifestyle, Fashion Accessories, FMCG Products, Dresses. Hall 1A, Automobiles Area. Come and join us as exhibitor to showcase your business by signing up for Exhibition 2023 at HYDERABAD Exhibition Center by JITO Hyderabad at UMNAG 2.0 on 30th September, 1st October and 2nd October 2023. To get early bird offer, book your stall soon. Hurry up!
Only few stalls are left.